Hello everyone, this is Eva from Evecca. Today I'm gonna introduce you how to connect the remote control with our controller 4 Pro. First of all, find the home page, swipe down from the top, select Setting, find the Advanced Setting, and search for Bluetooth device. Select 0 channel on the remote control. Press and hold the A buttons for 7 seconds. The remote control and the controller will display as following to start matching. Above floor is the instruction about how to connect our remote with our controller 4 Pro. For more detailed information, click follow and find Eva.